Money all around, cuddling my boo. Toss money in the air, mind over you. They don't understand how I feel about you. About with the bosses, bliss around town. Party since the touch. Hello, it's kind of like I used to imagine. Oh no, tell them there's a ball in his heart. There's something under.
So welcome. We're having fun, we're cruising, the water is so fresh, the weather is so good, we have sunscreen on and a lot of things. So now we're gonna drive. You can see the water, you can see the animals, great music, great company, and I'm with my cousin. I'll show you guys later and then you'll see her. So this was just our day. Fun and going back. All right, so guys, let's go drive the boat. So guys, how are you? Can I drive the boat? Can I drive the boat, guys? So guys, as part of the boat cruise, we have so many sails, and here next to the Atlantic Ocean you can see all the dark stuff there on the ground. All of those ones are sails, so it's one sail to another sail to another sail to another sail. Please have this one. Please give me mine. I just put it inside, I think I put it inside. Or put it on top of the...
All those guys do is just make
difficult. Alright, so guys, we have so many seals and so many seals over there, and this is the boat. Boat cruising.
So they give birth 2 times a year?
Only once a year.
Get fertilized in 4 months.
That's the tour guide.
The egg is just there for 4 months. It's not doing anything. Then after 4 months, that's when it's like. It's another 9 months before you get pregnant. So it's a whole 12 months.
Oh, this thing. Okay. I know the babies. These babies look big. What are the babies?
Don't you think some are dead?
Strawberry inside.
No, they smell.
Yeah, they smell, and that smell they say is apparently the mixture of dead seals. Like they are wasting.
So this is my new friend that I met on the boat. So friend, what's your name?
Kita Parks.
Kita Parks. I met her
follow me on my Instagram page, KS Weeks. I sell beautiful synthetic boots.
Alright, please follow her on her Instagram page. We're gonna tag her in the comments down below. Then you can, she's looking so sexy on the boat and all beautiful. And tomorrow is her birthday, and she's just enjoying herself. So you can always follow her, and she looks lovely. So you're also gonna look lovely.
Sure.
And we have so many seals, and this is. Can I go ahead? Alright guys, some people don't want to be in our video, but it's okay. So we have so many seals, but I can't even count. It's over 1,000 seals. I can't even count how many they are. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful seals. And my old friend is over there. My old friend, what's your name?
I'm Koski.
She's Koski. And they are good. Are you enjoying yourself? You love it? Would you come again? Awesome, guys. So that was my cousin.